Welcome back to Joy Tutorials. Today I am going to take class 5 science subject lesson 2 plant life part 2. Okay. Reproduction. Previous I discussed reproduction. Vegetative parts like stem produce new plantlet, leaves produce new plant. Now I am going to discuss about root. Reproduction from root. Reproduction from root. Root produce new plantlet. In textbook given, this is sweet potato, arrangement of sweet potato, this is jam bottle, water kept inside a toothpicks, okay, arranged like this. After few days you will notice new plantlet. This is jam bottle, I taken carrot, okay, I put 4 toothpicks. After few days you will notice how many days required to grow into a new plantlet. You have to write a note in your notebook. This is reproduction from root. Next one, so many roots like carrot, beetroot, sweet potato, radish, etc. Okay, reproduction from roots. It will produce new plantlets. Next one, seed. Okay, so many seeds produce new plantlet. So most of the plants produce seeds to produce new plantlet. We are seeing so many plants. These seeds, when reach on soil, it will be germinate. When reach on soil, it will be germinate. Seeds produce new plantlet. Here, structure of seed. Structure of seed. This seed structure, different sizes and shapes. These seeds are very hard and rough surface. We are unable to open. When we soak in water, then you will notice overnight you will soak in water. Then you will notice this seed coat when it will be open. Okay, you will notice cotyledons inside cotyledons. First of all, you will see seed coat. The seed contains seed coat, very hard. The seed soak in water overnight. Next day you will notice cotyledons. When you will open seed coat, you will notice cotyledons. Here seed, inside one side of the seed, you will notice scar. This is nothing but permanent mark. Permanent mark. This scar is attached inside fruit. Okay, inside fruit. This fruit inside seeds are attached. That scar. Okay, this scar attached inside. Here down, scar down, you will notice hole. This is hole. It helps to absorb water. When you will soak water overnight, it will absorb water. Then this hard surface converted into smooth surface, it will swell up. Okay. Then you will able to open seed coat. Then you will open seed. Here seed will open. These two are cotyledons. It will produce cotyledons. These are nothing but seed leaves. Cotyledons are nothing but seed leaves. These seed leaves helps to store food. The store food utilize, produce primary root, primary shoot. Okay. Here see baby root, baby shoot. Shoot is nothing but stem. Baby shoot, baby root. New plantlet will grow. Embryo. Okay. Baby shoot, baby root is nothing but embryo. It will grow into, germinate into new plantlet. Okay. Here this seed cotyledons are seed leaves helps to protect from plant. It helps to protect plant. It stores food. That stored food utilize this embryo produce into a new plantlet. This is structure of seed. Here one of the activity given. Okay. What do needs for germination? What do needs for germination? Here, what are the factors needed to germination? The seed grow into a new plantlet. How it will be possible? It have to be reach on soil and sunlight required. Sunlight required. Water required. Okay. Then air required. Air required. These three factors are very important. If any factor will missing, this seed will not grow into a new plantlet. Okay. These three factors are very essential factors. What do needs to grow into a germinate? What needs to germinate? Sunlight, warmth, nothing but warmth is nothing but sunlight, air, water. These are very very important to grow into a new plantlet. These are helps in germination. Here the growth of plant from a seed is called germination. The growth of plant